This is problem number 10. Okay, let us solve this. So here an average weight of 16 boys in a class is 50.25 kg and that of the remaining 8 boys is 45.15 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. Right, it's an average problem. Right, it's an average problem. Right, there are around 20 topics will come in Sainik exam. So you are supposed to study everything. Right, now you know what is average. Average is what? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. Right, now sum of observation we are supposed to find, because in this case what happens, 16 boys they have given, 16 boys, and their average weight is what? 50.25 kg. This is average they have given, this is the number they have given, that is number of observation. So that's what sum of observation, sum is equal to what? So this will go this way, that side, left hand side, that is going to be average. Okay, average into number of observation. Right, number of observation. So average is how much? 50.25 into number of observation is how much? That is 16 boys. Multiply it. This is sum of weights of the 16 boys. 16. Right, now multiply it. 6 5s are 30. Right, 0 3 carry. Right, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Right, 1 carry. 6 0 0 plus 1. 6 0 0 plus 1 1. 6 5s are 30. Correct. Now I'll multiply with 1. 1 5s are 5. Right, 1 2s are 2. Right, 1 0s are 0 and 1 5s are 5. 0 5 plus 5 10 0. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right, 0 5 plus 3 8. See, now after decimal there are 2 digits. So here the sum of 16 boys is 804 kgs. Similarly, we will find the sum of remaining 8 boys. That is going to be what? Sum of 8 boys is equal to average, that is 45.15 into how many boys? 8 boys. Now multiply it. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12, correct? 2, 1 carry, 8 5s are 40 plus 1, 41, 4 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is 36. So after decimal there are 2 digits, so I will get that. So total number of, that is a sum of 8 boys is what? That is sum of 8 is 361.20 kgs. Now add it. So what happens? That is 804 plus 361.20. 0 2 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 6 6 6. 8 plus 3 11. The total is how much? 1165.20 kg. This is the weight of what? Total 24 students. Now what we are supposed to find? Find the average weight of all the boys in the class. That is, total number of boys is now what? 24. Number of boys is 24, and their sum, that is sum of weight, sum is equal to 1165.20. Now we are supposed to find what? Average. You know what is average? Average is what? Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Sum of observation is here 1165.20, that divided by 24. Now you need to divide this. Now you know how to divide. So 1165.20. You forget this, let us just we will put that divided by 24. 24, 11 I can't divide, so I will take 116. 24 5s are how much? That is 25s are 100, 4 5s are 20. So 24 4s are. I'll go with that. 4s are. 4 4s are 16, correct? 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 11 minus 9 is 2. 20. Now bring down 5. 205. Now 24 9s are. 24 10s are is 240. So that is going to be 216. 9s are. Right. Let me go with the 8. 8 4s are 32. 2 3 carry, right? 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. 192. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 20 minus 19 is 13. Now bring down 2. Now you know that is 4s. 4s is 96. Let me go with the 5s. 5 4s are 20. 25s are 100. 4 5s are 20. 120. Right, 120. How much we got? 12. Right, I'll go here. 12 I got. I'll bring down this 0 here. 12. 24 5s are 120. Correct? 24 5s are 120. 0 0 0. Now it is completely divided. Now decimal point is very important thing. See here, after decimal there are 2 digits here also. So 1 2, you place it here. The answer is 48.55. 48.55 is the average weight of all the boys in the class of 24. Right. Hope you understood. The answer is here is C.